Hi Achara, and welcome back to another Irish video. In this video, we're going to be looking at 10 proverbs in the Irish language, also known as a Seanfhocail. Seanfhocail. Níl aon tinteán mar the tinteán féin. This means there's no place like home. Ní neart go cur le chéile. This means there's strength in unity. Ní dhéanfadh an saol capall rása go asal. This means that you can't make a racehorse out of a donkey, i.e. a leopard can't change its spots. Tú smá leath na hoibre. A good start is half of the work. Mull an óige agus tiocfaidh. Praise the youth and they will prosper. Ní bhíonn gan locht. There is no wise man without fault. An rud is annamh is iontach. The rare things are the most beautiful. Is fearr an tsláinte ná na táinte. This means your health is your wealth. Ní higgin an sách an seang. This means that the well-fed don't understand the lean. And finally, nearfadh maith féin leath, which literally translates to, a kind word never broke anyone's tooth, meaning it doesn't hurt to be kind. Agus sin é a chairde. I hope you enjoyed this short video on the 10 proverbs in the Irish language. To be part of our online Irish community, please be sure to join us at letslearnirish.com. By fáilte rót.